we could try to simplify each radical separately if we'd like. Or another thing we can do is if we have a square root on the top and the bottom, we can, just as we split them up sometimes, we can also put them together as a fraction under a single square root symbol. When we do that, we can see that we can reduce this fraction by canceling a 2. That's going to leave a 40 on top. And canceling 2 of the x's, x squared, which will leave 2 of the 4x's on top. Which that means that we're going to be left with the 40 and the x squared on top, and we no longer have a denominator to worry about. Now this we can split into. 40 is 4 times 10, and then we have the x squared. This allows us to break this up into the square root of 4 times the square root of 10 times the square root of x squared. Well, the square root of 4 is 2, and then we have the square root of 10, which will not simplify, and we also have the square root of x squared, which is x. But usually the square root comes last, so we would usually or often write this as 2 times x and then times the square root of 10, so that the square root symbol doesn't accidentally extend over the x.